here it has been asked, which one of the following reaction mechanism drives the conversion of low energy 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde to high energy 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. So we have the glycolysis steps, right? So in the glycolysis, what happens? We start from 6 carbon glucose, which gets converted to 2 3 carbons sugar, that is pyruvate. So this is the whole glycolysis process. So this is total 10-step reaction. So in this 10-step reaction, if we'll see, so in the glycolysis, we have from glucose to glucose 6-phosphate with the help of hexokinase, where ATP is being utilized. And then this glucose 6-phosphate further gets isomerized and converted into fructose 6-phosphate, which further gets again phosphorylated with the help of another kinase and becomes fructose 1,6-phosphate. So here, this is here we utilize 2 ATPs in this initial steps, and then this fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, which is 6 carbon sugar, gets converted to 2 different glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So this particular one is also getting converted to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which further gets involved in the glycolysis process. So there, from here, we have glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. So here what is the reaction is happening, which has been asked. So further this 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate undergoes several steps and gets converted to pyruvate. So in the question, it has been asked that which one of the following reaction mechanism drive the conversion of low energy 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde to high energy 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Okay. So here we have 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde and here we have 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, which is, I can say, glyceric acid also I can say. So it has been happening from aldehyde to acid conversion. So what is the reaction is happening? What is exactly happening from aldehyde to acid conversion?
Oxidation.
Yes, oxidation is happening. So two options we have, which shows oxidation, and other two options are like substrate level phosphorylation and formation of carboxylate. So these options are wrong because substrate level phosphorylation is happening here at this step, okay, and the later step, but not at this particular step. Here no substrate level phosphorylation is happening, okay. So these option is correct, and also formation of carboxylate is not happening. Glycerate is being formed, so this option is also wrong. So oxidation is happening. Now it has been asked oxidation without anhydride bond formation or oxidation coupled with anhydride bond formation. So now we need to know what actually is anhydride bond. Okay. So we have the anhydride bond, which is generally present in ATP structure. Okay. So anhydride bond is something like this. So this is the anhydride bond. Okay. Kind of structure you are finding, that is the anhydride bond. Okay. So that anhydride bond is generally present in ATP. Okay. These kind of anhydride, which is called phosphoanhydride bond. Okay. But here if I see this structure, so this is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Okay, so this is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. So this is the CHO group, 3 carbon structure. This is the CHO group, and this is the third position is phosphorylated. So this is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Then further, this group undergoes oxidation, and here this aldehyde is converted to an acid, which is also phosphorylated. Okay, so here if I'll see that particular bond, so that particular anhydride bond, if I'll see, that is not present, which is, if I'll see in this structure, can you see any this kind of bond which is anhydride bond? Right? Like here, if we have the ATP, there we have the sugar. Then with the sugar, we have the phosphate moieties attached. Okay, we have the phosphate moieties attached. There we can see this kind of anhydride bond formation. Okay. So here you can see the similar structure which I made here. So this is the anhydride bond, but here in this structure and here also simultaneously you can see NAD plus, from NAD plus it is getting reduced to NADH. So here NADH is also being produced. So there also no anhydride bond is formed. So for our particular concern, the correct option will be oxidation coupled without anhydride bond formation. This will be the correct option, not the second one. Okay. And this is my NPTEL reference. Thank you.